Hi everyone. So today we have Sony 7042. It's from 1990s. We did manage to install Bluetooth in this one. We did full service, belts are changed, heads cleaned, everything is checked. So it's in perfect working order, okay, and has few scratches here and there. One chip over here will be visible in the pictures, and few imperfections on the screen I'm gonna show later, okay. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay, radio works. Let's try the cassette. It actually sounds pretty good on the cassette. Let's try go forward. Works fine. Now backwards. Okay, let's try the reverse mode. All good. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect, and as you can see in the dark, here is few dots here and there on the screen. They are barely visible, but I just want you to know. Okay, so let's try the Bluetooth now. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to go from FM mode to AM mode. Simply press this button a couple times. Now you're on AM, which means the Bluetooth is activated. Let's go to our cell phone. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds. Here it is. That's it, it's connected now. You can go to whatever music you have on your phone and simply play it. That's it. Really simple to use. Let's try another song. The radio itself sound quality is really good for its age. So in order to back to FM mode again, simply press this button once again and you're back to radio. Very simple to use. Okay guys, thumbs up.